Formulae for areas of 2D figures. Area of triangle, base into height by 2. Area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side. Area of quadrilateral, d by 2 into h1 plus h2. Area of square, side into side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of rhombus, product of diagonals by 2. Area of trapezium, h by 2 into a plus b. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. R is radius and pi value 22/7. Thank you.